Hey guys, it's CPate 1998, and this is our exploding target, and we're going to shoot it with a .22 rifle, and this is just our practice. Soon we're going to be blowing up an Xbox with a bigger one and a bigger gun, so let's go blow it up. My dad's shooting it this time, and I'm shooting it next time. Next time it's most likely going to be a .223 Remington, and now it's a .22 Remington. No, this is a Ruger. Okay. There's a pool. Dad!
You let everybody know this is supervised?
No.
You videotape?
I gave it to you.
Got it. You want it? Huh?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Crap. We might not need a bigger one to blow up an Xbox.
Alright. Come on, let's go in the house.
I gotta... Oh my gosh. First time I've ever done one of these. Oh gosh. We're gonna get the cops called on us by the neighbors. Huh? I don't know where that cup went. Probably in space right now. We're gonna get the cops called on us. Okay, well that's pretty much it. The Xbox video is coming soon. Boom.